Hello, everyone. This is Mike Selener, and welcome to a live weekly update for the BC App Store. This week, I'm really excited to share with you guys a release that we pushed to the App Store last week on June 15th. This has a lot of great updates for developers of apps on the BC App Store, and I'd love to just get right into it. First is we came out with the ability for discount codes on app purchases. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how this experience works. So first I'll log into the App Store and I'll choose, let's say, an account. And then I'll choose an app, for example, the Xero integration, orders and contacts. This is still on sale for the rest of this month. Great opportunity to take advantage of this offer. I'll hit install on the app. I'll log in to my Business Catalyst account. And then I've got a pick account. I'm just going to find some sort of test site. All right, then it's processing. It's going to go to the confirmation page or the checkout page. Here we go. And a couple things all on this page that I want to point out. One is we do have the ability to issue and then apply coupon codes. These are really going to be giving out in the main use case to developers. So this way that they can actually use the website, the App Store, to deploy their own apps free of charge to the sites within their partner portal. This will work with one-time apps. It will work with recurring apps. It doesn't matter. So that's the main purpose for this. The other purpose is if we maybe have some sort of marketing campaigns, advertising, or just ways to discount that developers want to offer for their apps. They can use it. We can issue a coupon code, limited time as well. So these are going to be given out very sparingly to the general community. Again, mostly used for developers to be able to get their own apps. But I wanted to point this out here for all of you and how this works. All right. So the other thing here is that we've got the stored billing information, which you guys already know about. It was a great feature. I don't have to continue putting in my credit card information every time. But one of the things we did now is if you enter in new billing information, we give you a warning that says this credit card is only we can only have one credit card on file that's used for all payments and recurring payments. So if you enter in new billing information, it is going to update the recurring billing for all existing apps that you have on the App Store. So just be careful of that. And if you do need to use a different credit card, for example, maybe you're putting your client's credit card when buying the Xero app, well, you're just going to want to create a free account underneath their email address and then or another one of yours, and then put in a different credit card information. All right. The other thing is developers can now get notifications for all apps, all app purchases and cancellations, which is great. So now you've got real-time data as to how sales are happening on the website. This is for purchases and cancellations. So cancellations are for recurring, but it's not for a refund. So we don't have the refunds in there yet. Now to do this, you will need, I'll have to log out of this one and go into a different website. All right, we'll log in here. You're going to click over to developer, and then you're going to click over to profile, and then you're going to come down here and put in your communications email. This is where this email address is the email that we will send out notifications. If there's no email address in here, we won't send out any notifications. Pretty simple. All right. We already talked about the warning messages when updating billing information on the account. It's also when you use the update billing information form back in the My Account area. So you'll get a notification there as well. And then also we're now displaying a detailed error message on the purchase page as to why the transaction didn't go through. So this should help some of the support tickets where people are like, hey, I'm trying to buy this app, but it's not going through. Tell me why. It's usually something to do with issue with the credit card. Now we're given detailed information on the page as to why. Then we just fixed a couple bugs here where images were getting overwritten, and then some other small enhancements we've made to the developer portal and the admin portal on the back end that we use just to make our jobs and our lives easier here. All right, so Again, those are the updates that we made. We continually work on updating the BC App Store. If you guys have any insight as to the features that you'd love to see, either from a developer side or from a purchaser side, please let us know. Use this wish list. We do look through this. We've already, you can see here, we've already accomplished a couple of them on the list, which is great. So we're here to serve the community, and the community hopefully gives us feedback as to what they want to see. And this is a good opportunity just to point out the apps wish list and the BC API wish list as well. So if there are apps that you're hoping to see, if you're a developer and you're saying, hey, what should I spend my time on? This is a great page to go to figure out what sort of apps people are most interested in. All right, thanks everyone for tuning in. We appreciate it. And I'll see you next week for another live weekly update with the BC App Store.